Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus launched February 2019. After 2 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and Gorilla Glass 5 in the back with aluminum frame. So overall the smartphone build quality is excellent, and this phone also have a headphone jack. The smartphone comes with 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus, with resolution 1440 x 3040 pixel with 522 ppi density. So overall dynamic AMOLED display is excellent, and the smartphone also IP68 dust and water resistant. 2021 the smartphone running One UI 3.1 and Android 11. The smartphone using chipset Snapdragon 855 for US and China market. For other country, the smartphone using chipset Exynos 9820. CPU using octa-core 2x2.3 GHz and GPU using Mali G76M12. And this is 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant with UFS 2.1. After 2 years, the phone is still performing pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed very fast, and you also play all types of game in a very high graphics and max setting. So let's move on to the camera section. The smartphone comes with triple camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens with 1.5 to 2.4 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.4 aperture, and 16 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture with LED flash. The smartphone comes with dual selfie camera, 10 megapixel main lens with 1.9 aperture and 8 megapixel wide lens with 2.2 aperture, and selfie camera you also record 4K 60fps video. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60 and 240fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p 960fps super slow-mo video, and the video quality is excellent. So now talk about the photo quality. S10 Plus you can take a very good picture in the daylight and low light. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by in-display fingerprint and face unlock. In-display fingerprint and face unlock is speed very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 4100 mAh battery with 15W fast charger. So overall you can get 1 day battery backup. So the question is, this phone is still worth it 2021? Definitely this phone is still worth it 2021, because this phone have a dynamic AMOLED display, and we also know that Samsung is the best for the display maker, and the phone offer you also very good performance and excellent camera. So overall the phone is still worth it 2021.